Thinking of turning your passion for Spanish real estate into a thriving career as a coach? Step 1. Master the Spanish real estate market. Regularly analyze trends, understand regional differences in property values, and stay updated on legal and regulatory changes. Subscribe to industry publications and attend local real estate events. Next, develop strong coaching skills. Effective coaching goes beyond just giving advice. Learn active listening techniques to really understand your clients' needs and set realistic goals with them. Now, it's time to focus on client relationship management in Spain. Building trust and rapport is key. Develop strong communication skills in both Spanish and English and learn to personalize your approach to each client. The most important move to make is providing value in every coaching session. Offer actionable advice, resources, and support to help your clients achieve their goals. Document and showcase their success stories to build your reputation. So, are you ready to guide Spain's next generation of real estate stars? Now you know how to excel as a real estate coach in the Spanish market. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the Spanish real estate landscape, and leave any questions in the comments below. #RealEstateCoachSpain, #Spain Real Estate.